milk filling procedure where we put it into the finished packaging for the consumer. From the holding tank, it is transferred to one of our 6 filling lines, and we have the ability to do a paper carton half-gallon, paper carton minis we call them, for school milk size. We also do quart and pint and half pint on a quart filling machine, and we do plastic gallon jugs, and also we can do bags for a bag-in-box product, as well as bulk totes of finished product. And that goes over to a machine where the cartons are formed, filled, and sealed, and date coded and sent off to the casing operation.
So when we're processing milk, basically you're generating a lot of cream off the skim. Same thing with 1%. The higher the fat you go, the less cream you are generating as surplus. We do put a lot of heavy cream out, so a lot of our cream that we generate off of skim and 1% and 2% go to our heavy cream products, which also make half and half and 40% heavy cream. What surplus cream we do not use here at Smith Brothers, we distribute to other manufacturers who produce yogurt, sour cream, ice cream, and other products that require a higher butterfat.
Quality insurance is important for many reasons. We ensure that there's a safe product that goes out to the public. We ensure there's a high quality product that goes out to the public. And we ensure that all of the legal requirements are met while we're doing our business and producing a food product. We start by testing the milk at receiving. We test for antibiotics and microbial presence. After that, we test it for components during the process. Butterfat, we have to make sure that we're nailing all our specifications down correct for our skim milk, 1%, 2% whole milk. The packaged milk is brought up to the lab and we test them for micro as well as sensory. For the labeling standards, we use a calculated method from an outside lab. They will test our product and compare it back to a national standard. And we're essentially trying to fall within those limits and basically meet them. So we validate that our products do meet the national standards.
Once we finish packaging milk, it goes to one of 2 places, either directly onto a truck and sent out to the end consumer, or it goes in our warehouse. We store all of our finished products in our warehouse, and we also marry those together with other products we purchase from other manufacturers. Those products are stored for anywhere from 24 hours to 3 or 4 days, but the majority of our manufactured products are in and out of our warehouse within a day.
Here at Smith Brothers, we have a couple of different ways we deliver to the consumer. We have a home delivery program where we are the last milk plant in Washington State that has a milkman that delivers to your house. So you can get your Smith Brothers Farms product delivered straight to your porch. We also sell to distributors who distribute to grocery stores and schools. We also distribute to other manufacturers of food products for uses such as salad dressings or soups, or as an ingredient in other foods.
We receive milk from a farm within 24 hours of it being milk from a cow, and we usually send it out within 24 hours of receiving it here at the plant. So from farm to table, you could say it's a 48-hour process. The fresher the milk, the better it tastes. You know, if I could get everyone milk directly from the farm that same day, that's the best. But next best is getting to your house within 48 hours.